our live with Zoe. So today we are going to play kids versus parent paintball version. Let's get started.
So let me tell mine first.
No.
Okay guys, so guess what? I have a grenade. It doesn't look like one, but it is in my opinion. So what I'm gonna do is when I'm close to one, I'm gonna pull it. So 5,
the plan is
4,
let your face flag
3,
fly.
And once I reach 2, I'm gonna run to them, say 2, 1, and then blow them up.
Okay, guys,
yes, it's gonna kill me too.
The real plan is we're gonna let our feet flag fly, and we're gonna go over there. So it's a little hole, so we're gonna lay down, crawl, do whatever, and get them out.
Okay. No, yet Ryan did his plan on suicide.
No.
Then yeah, me, attack me.
Oh.
Okay. Let's call it.
Let's go, Ryan.
Call ready.
Guys, please, I'm jumping in.
Ryan, where is your gun?
3, 2, 1, fire! We're both out. Hey, you're out.
I'm out.
I blew you up.
Okay.
My boy, I am dead too. My gun's over there. Don't worry about me. I just hurt my arm. Done. I'm out.
Hey, Dad! Surrender!
Guys, my plan worked. Yes, get back! Be careful, because my gun's around here. Daddy.
Hit.
I'm out. I'm looking for my gun. My gun disappeared. Found it. Okay. Give it to me. Give me the gun.
Hit.
I'm so out, man.
Hit. Zoe, I'm hit.
Not enough, apparently.
Right.
Someone got you in the forehead. Oh, here's Cowboy.
Don't pull it to be responsible. Well, you can give me a gun too.
Yeah, I'm hit. This vlog's titled What We Do in the Rain.
And there's Cowboy joining the party over there. He's getting his boots on to join. Oh, we got Ryan over there. He's shooting at everybody. I'll show him from behind the bunker.
It's okay, Stubby.
To your left. Daddy, your daughter just hit you with the bomb. Color grenade. Oh, color grenade. Daddy's out again. They got him twice with that grenade. Okay, that's enough. Okay, get your gun, Zoe. Get back in it. We got Ben and Ryan going out of here. In case you guys can't hear it or see it, it is raining crazily out here. Got Ryan down here hunkered.
Wait, Daddy.
Trying not to let Ben get him.
Will you kill me? Come look at my position. Look at my position, Daddy.
We all saw that one coming.
Get up, Dave. That's what did.
But you know, there's a lot of women.
It was raining.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's a lot of women who think that's the kitchen timer.
It's a ghost.
Alright. Alrighty. Yeah.
Hit.
You ran it.
Oh, he got me right in the neck. He got me too. He came up and bunkered me. Huh?
I got Zoe. She was way down there. I got her from here, and she's like, I'm hit. It was me.
Oh, hit! Hit! Good job, Zoe! Okay, here we go. Get back in. I've got no visual on him, Ben. I'm crawling up to the left. That was close. That wasn't a good round for me. I got shot in the head, and she kept shooting me in the head over and over again.
That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for thank you so much for joining us for Paintball. Bye.
What are they supposed to do?
Oh, you subscribe, like, and hit the notification.